No? Well, yeah, I guess it is. That is you? Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at the doggy.
Oh, I wanted this too. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's monkey.
Turn it around.
It's that which one you want.
Turn it around.
Like the dog.
Oh, monkey.
The puppy looks like that. Just reverse it.
Oh, it's a leg. I thought the monkey was on the butt and it's a leg.
Me too.
I'm like, okay, that's not cool. People call you monkey butt. Hey there, monkey butt.
Stuff in there. Turn it around.
Back in action.
Oh yeah. Nice hat.
Thank you. Say Coca-Cola.
Yeah, and then if you pull the rim down, it says it on the inside too. There. On that middle side.
Oh, so you can wear it either way you want.
I liked it.
You're gonna be like,
I laughed too when I got it. I'm like, oh, Chelsea will like this one. Then you'll have to wear it in front of Grampy.
Oh boy.
She loves it touchy. Did you know that?
What?
Competition.
Jump rope. Tongue is still kill.
Yep. It's a thrill a minute.
say hi.
I was going to shut it off, but then the hat came out, so. I was filming your brother behind you, hoping he was eating, but he's just reading. Well, I want to get him shoveling it in. Oh, he is eating. Okay, zoom in. Just keep your hands and feet away from his mouth, and you'll be okay.
Oh, it's the one that goes TikTok.
TikTok.
Hey, puppy.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. He's awake. Uh-oh.
Are you going to be the one rose?
Hi. Is your weight, Mom? How old is he?
11 weeks.
Gonna go back and sit over there? Lie down? Yeah. You go. Thank you.
He must be getting close to supper time too. Get ready to have supper. Aw, man, you're so
Outside?
Inside.
I think the dogs have to go.
Comes to the
Basement.
Watch out for the light bulbs, okay?
Yeah.
I didn't get it one time.
Had experience. Yeah.
And they're off.
uh-oh.
Oh, the dog.
Big stretch. What an exciting crew we have going on here, huh?
Okay.
She doesn't like it if he gets upset. It's like, oh my god, you're taking me out on a purple leash. She has to fight.
Right? Oh, wrong way. Zoom in. Nope, too far.
Are you filming?
Yep, I zoomed in on the whole dog.
Oh, God. Yeah, thanks. The old hag behind it.
Oh, I gotta zoom out for that. Hey, how's that? There we go. That chair makes you look like you're 10 years old.
Some slouching.
Yeah, it's like... And so does the dog. It's like, okay. Because that's the fat one, right?
She's not fat.
Well, the bigger one?
The older one.
There's the dog.
Grampy flips off the dog.
Yeah, he flipped off the dog.
Dog met me at the door.
What is wrong with that?
He cries.
Does he
But
cry?
kids say it unless I pick him up.
Is he eating?
Yeah, her food.
Oh,
He won't eat his food,
yeah.
so he's just gonna eat her food.
It's not food, it's dog food. What the hell's the difference?
Because his was lamb and rice. She can't eat lamb and rice. She's allergic to it. I'm cold.
Why? It's warm in here. Let's roll to something else that I don't
Hey.
say.
What's the matter?
Oh. What?
I didn't think anything could make this dog look big, but that one does.
What? Wants to be held all the time?
Yeah.
It's a
Gets spoiled.
crybaby.
Very spoiled.
Huh?
Very spoiled. He thinks.
Grampy,
Spoiled as Minnie.
you know you want some pizza.
Minnie's still
I did a window stop over there.
What's she doing? What's he doing?
yeah. See?
She don't like it.
Okay.
You don't need the camera.
I never get to play with it. Mine's broken. I'm documenting the day. Trying to make the most boring video, and you are the star.
Alright, well, that's enough.
No, I don't want to break the camera.
Good, because it's not mine.
Yeah,
I don't
my
know
mom
what
saw
it
me in
is.
trouble.
I'd have to
Here,
pay
how about
for
this?
it. And
Don't you dare.
Are you guys gonna pay attention?
Yeah,
You're in trouble. You are in trouble. Thanks, but you are in trouble.
So there's 3 candles, she's 3?
Well, no, because 1 and 2 for 12. Okay, ready?
Quiet, Tom.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Can I slam my face in it?
No.
Happy birthday.
Can I slam your face in it?
Blow.
Wow.
I didn't think you were going to get them all, Amanda.
I know.
I'm gonna take this off. and-
Minnie, it's a her. I read that. What? Because he's not used to being picked up that much.
What I did was you get the accent there, right?
Yeah, well,
Don't you dare.
yeah, I guess so, but,
Tom,
Mike,
I wonder what that'll look like.
Piggy, girly.
I bet we can pause it and it'll just be one big flash. I got a picture, you taking a picture before. Because I have, I'm bored.
Look at the camera and smile.
She let me sit at this. He doesn't like me.
How many pictures are on this?
So now you're gonna have a piece of cake,
Nice.
It's alright.
chocolate,
You're putting the pause.
vanilla.
Homemade?
Are you camcording with me?
Camcording?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have
Camcording?
You want to
Yeah.
test
No.
No, I'm just holding it because it's something I like to do. Camcording.
How do you want to do to get that?
Well, that's why do you think I brought it? So I can watch you buck the horse when we try to drive.
it? To do that after cake. But
Yeah.
I'll have it.
do you know if they're walking out there today?
You want Coke?
All I have is, hello?
Hello.
Attention.
Yeah.
All I have is vanilla or mint.
You're right on her face.
Picking her nose.
Vanilla.
Mint cookie?
I'll sit down. I'll leave so she can sit down.
It's okay.
No, the girls I think are going somewhere else, aren't they?
No, they can sit here.
Where are they going?
Can't determine how many drinks you need.
Can you hold that? No,
Put John down at the table.
Wait, you can just hold on to me.
I'm going to take your
Why?
Yeah, you
Ooh.
dog.
I don't know if you should. I was thinking about cutting these.
I think you've had enough soda.
Hey, doggy. Woo. Hello. Look up. Over here. Hey.
Just so I put some type of bed down,
You must, you liked my cake.
I love your cake.
Okay.
So if we got that straight, you can stay.
Courtney?
Bah, 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 bah.
Amanda didn't introduce us, so I just guessed. Do you want vanilla or mint cookie? Okay. And Sam?
I'll have vanilla ice cream.
Do it all, yeah, that's right. Do it
It's all nose. Hey, come on. Beat it.
all. I don't know. You want something?
Get off me. Get. No. 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 Get. Stop it. You. Go play with this one. Go play with him. Her. Get that one.
These plates are really too small, I think.
I think so. There'll be a lot of mess. Do something fascinating, dog. Oh, is that one making the noise? Hey!
When you go down here, and then you do this, and then no fun.
What did you? I just caught it all on tape. I'm gonna rewind it and play it for your mother. Oh, don't spray that. Hey, ew. Oh, there better not like be ammonia or something or.
No, it's water. No, it's peroxide.
Is it? What is it?
No,
Oh?
it's water. Don't. He's gonna twist it.
No, hold on. Look out. It's coming off. It's coming off. See? Look, it's off. I'm serious. It's off. Let go. It's off. It's off. But there's still water in this.
Amanda. Let's go blow your transmission.
No, we gotta push. Let's go driving. I don't want to get stuck, but I got better tires on the back, but not great ones.
I have a feeling that most of that's like this road.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my God!
Hey, you just scared the children away.
You little bastard!
Hey, isn't that what you want?
You're too young. No, hump it.
That's why she's whining. She's like, ooh, baby, I want you.
He's the one whining.
Oh, it's all wet.
You're gonna love it.
It's a snot rag, Mike.
Oh, man.
Who needs mace?
Tell him, don't touch him.
Come on, throw it in the air. It'll stick to him.
No.
There you go. There you go.
Little jerk. What? Humping my dog. You don't hump Minnie.
What do you think he's been sticking his face in there?
Checking it out.
You little bastard.
Oh, big puffy cat.
We've had him for like 6 years.
Yeah, I remember that one.
This is Bailey. My mama's kitty. Come on. Hey, mommy boy.
That thing must shed like a bugger.
My little buddy.
Yeah, he's like, put me down.
No. Look at him.
Okay, now turn around and show me that. Yeah, he's afraid to fall. Look at that. He's got his claws in you.
No, he doesn't.
He thinks you're going to drop him.
No. I wouldn't drop my Bailey.
Would the puppy escape again?
No, my puppy. I think she said want a puppy. Like, take the puppy out. There's going to be some busy work with 2 dogs now.
Yep. How does Bailey like it?
He didn't even know no, he does know we have a second one now. Isn't he cute?
Kitty.
Kitty close up. His eyes are dirty.
Oh, he's talking.
Yeah. What's the matter, mamas? What's the matter, mamas? Mama's boy. Come here. See, look at his pretty black patch. I want me camcordering him.
Snorting on me. Hey,
Anna,
quit.
don't.
Oh, yuck. Didn't have my glasses on.
Oh, look at Minnie Min.
Feed the monkeys.
Man, I can see bugs flying in the mouth. I don't want to keep it closed.
Not fair, you're out there. Oh, why are they all wet?
I squirted her.
Oh, okay. As long as it's not urine or something.
She got squirted. She bite.
Oh, you were biting? Don't bite.
Bite the puppy. Stop filming.
I'm not filming you. I'm filming the puppy. Oh, Maggie. Mini Min. Ow. Excuse me.
You know where Francistown is?
Next to Francisburg?
How far?
Oh, no biting.
No biting. Biting.
Hi.
Man, you don't just whip it around like that. You make me sick.
She's sick. Confused? Obi loves it when I do that. She gets all going.
So who's gonna sit here with this dog all day?
I will.
Crying a lot.
I'll sit with him.
No, I won't be crying.
You're gonna coddle the baby. Go on the other side. Don't film through the wires.
Don't cry.
Duh. Dog's in jail.
Put my sweatshirt on or something and he'll leave me.
Or just put a stuff a pillow in it and lay it there. Yeah, here she is. Puppy.
Hi, Min. Hi, Min.
Watch you not filming the lens cap swinging in front of it there.
I can't see it.
Well, then you ain't filming it.
No, I can't see the lens cap. Hi, Min. You want to come see me? He's a crybaby. Minnie, what's that puppy doing?
What's the difference?
Here, how about you give me Mackie too?
No, I mean, no.
Fine, bring Mackie over here.
What are you gonna do, sit there all day with the dog?
I wanted you to put them in the kitchen so they can play.
Oh, I see what he was saying. Put them out there so they can hang out together.
No,
Puppy.
I was thinking they could both lay together right here.
They don't want to lay, they want to play.
Can you keep your mouth shut? That's irritating.
I just thought of something awful. If you had a beer in your hand, you'd be your father. Exactly. I'm sorry. You can't help genetics. That's not your fault. How you look ain't your problem. How you choose to act is.
Mackie, Mackie, Mackie.
This is Minnie Min.
Mackie.
Minnie Min. Huh? If
Mackie.
you get it close up, she's got a white hair right on the tip of her chin.
Maybe that's dog talk for I gotta poop.
Why come see me? Michael, bring him over. Come here, puppy. Listen to Mackie.
Maybe I should try and take them out. You want to
Mackie,
go
come
potty?
here. Come here, Mackie.
You shouldn't be carrying two at the same time.
I think Mike's got a good idea. Take him out.
No, we can't take both of them.
No, take the whiny one out. That's what I would do.
Look at them together.
Yeah, they want to fight. They want to play.
But I mean, I have to hold them.